Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. Now to get started, you want to open up settings, navigate into the first option, about phone, select factory reset, erase all data. This will give you a pop-up right here where you have the option to back up your data if you don't want to get rid of everything that is listed right over here. So if you want to, just back it up. If you don't care about any of the things that are located on your phone, they're going to be removed, then you can automatically just jump to factory reset. Now for people that have chosen to back up their device, back it up and then go back here and select factory reset. Clear eSIM data. It's just a eSIM, the electronic one based on a QR code. If you have one, then you can select clear, keep it, depending on which one you want. If you want to get rid of it because maybe you're selling a phone, then obviously select clear. If you don't have any kind of eSIM data on here, it really doesn't matter what you select. There's nothing to remove or keep. Now once you do that, it will then give you the attention. Factory reset will erase all data on your device. So obviously, if it's just like a precaution, if you have anything, back it up. You already had that option. So then we can press next, and again another 10 seconds blocking us before we can click on OK, as you can see, letting us know for the third time that this process removes everything. Once you press on OK, it begins the factory reset of your phone, which will take about 1 minute to 2 minutes maybe to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.